Very good evening, students. Beta, this is the solving for whatever doubts you have. Whenever beta, before doing balancing beta, whenever they give you nitrogen in word form, you'll always write it as N2. Hydrogen, then you'll write it as H2. Oxygen, then O2. Chlorine, then Cl2. Ammonia, then NH3. Now, my first question will be balance this, beta. Balance this. Okay. So balance nitrogen. So how to write nitrogen? Tell me, beta. How will you write Shania? N2. This will be
N
H2.
plus
And this will give you
H2
ammonia. Then
is
what you have to do?
NH3.
Yeah. So now you have to see here which element is there. N. Below this
So
arrow,
N
you will
is
write
equal to.
NH. N is here.
Sir, I don't have a doubt in the simple thing. I have a doubt in, the long ones.
A long one. But first, you just see here it is 2. Here it is 2. This also you should know. Here it is 1. And here it is how much, beta? 3. So what you will do, beta?
Three.
I have to make this 2. So what I'll write here? 2. So this will become 2. But 2 into 3, it will become 6 or not? Tell me. So in exam beta, they are going to ask you simple one only beta. This is 6. What I'm going to write here 3. So 3 into 2 is 6. Now you have to match. Is this matching or
But
not?
when
Tell
I
me.
was in the comprehensive worksheet, in that it's like hard.
So no, don't worry beta. Such a hard thing doesn't come, but they will ask you simple only. Suppose if I tell
Wait,
you carbon monoxide. Okay, monoxide plus oxygen gives you CO2. Carbon dioxide. So how to write this? You should know first. So what is there? CO. Oxygen, how will you write CO2? Right? Hmm. And then carbon dioxide is CO2. Clear? So how to balance this? Now tell me. Here there is carbon and oxygen. On left hand side there is 1. Oxygen is 2 and 1. So how much it is? 3. Here it is 1. Here it is 2. So what I'll do beta? So the moment if what I'm going to do beta, I'm going to write here 2. So this will become 2 and oxygen will become how much? 2 and 2, 4. So now what I'll do beta, I'll put here 2. So this will become 2 and 2 into 2, it is how much beta? 4. Easy. How will you balance this now? Chalo, tell me. Aluminium plus oxygen gives you aluminium oxide. So aluminium valency is Al. Oxygen is what? O2. Aluminum oxide is what? Al2O3. Now, how will you balance this? Come on, tell me.
so Al is 1 and then on the other side 2. No?
So an
Yeah.
oxygen is 3. Look, this is odd and even. So always try to make odd as even. So 3 ko even
So, but
banana.
here is where I have a doubt. So, sir, in O, should we use O2 or O3?
Why? Oxygen is what?
O2.
तो बेसिक्स बेटा इतना कराने के बाद वाई वी हैव रिटन दिस
सर
Al2O3.
आपने तो 3 यूज किया.
तो एल्यूमिनियम का ये ऑक्साइड है एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड का वैलेंसी यू शुड नो क्रिस क्रॉस करो व्हाट यू विल गेट
हाँ.
हाँ व्हाट यू विल गेट
Okay.
ये अकेला ऑक्सीजन है ये कंपाउंड का है कंपाउंड का हाउ इट बिकेम 3 सो यू शुड नो दिस वैलेंसी सो नॉट स्टडीड थ्रू आउट द ईयर बेटा राइट ना I gave you that
I know.
valency chart yesterday also I did today also I did. So this is 3. So what you are going to do, beta? Here you are going to put 2. So 2 into 2, it will become 4. And 2 into 3, it will become how much? 6. So aluminum, it is 4. So here you have to write 4. So it will become 4. Yeah, Meher, what happened? Tell me.
Sir, for crisscross in the worksheet, they've given ammonium arsenate and chromium hypochlorite. Will they ask us all
Yes,
that?
sir. They have
No.
given
Yeah,
us
it's very
strontium, bismuth, and all that also.
No, that complex thing generally they don't ask, but I have given you all the answers. Right now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here it
Yes,
is
Sir,
sir.
4.
many answers are wrong in the comprehensive worksheet answer key.
Yeah, so but I have given the correct one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have given all the correct one. Right? Look, past 2 years paper we saw. Were there any those type of questions were there or not? No, na beta. Right?
And sir, Where is orbital structure in the textbook?
Oh my God, very good. Good question. What were you doing, beta, today in the class? Sleeping or what? Huh?
No, sir.
Atomic structure chapter, you know, na, beta? In that there is diagram. Last, ekdam. You have
All
textbook in
the
front of
20,
you?
yes, sir. All the
No,
20 elements one, right?
no, atomic structure chapter, you know what do you mean by atomic structure chapter?
Yes, sir.
Open that.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay, got it.
अरे यार, where is the chapter now? एकदम एंड में है बेटा. This is not the chapter which I have it. Wait, beta, let me open the textbook.
Sir, you teach physics also?
Chalo beta, look here. Page number 49. Can you see this, beta? Page number 49. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Who asked that? Who asked this question? Orbit structure. Can you see this is the orbit structure?
Okay, sir. Sir, and here you have to make dots and crosses, right? Instead of
Why?
just circles.
Why? No, here it will be circle only.
Sir, but
Orbit
it's
may never dot and cross. Who told?
oh,
Dot and cross circle we drew today and I've sent in the group also. Sodium chloride and calcium oxide. You see photos.
yes, sir. It's different, right? Then I
This is orbit structure.
Yes, sir.
This is what
Okay,
beta
sir.
orbit structure.
Okay, sir.
I'll write it here for you. This is oxygen and this is sodium chloride. These are which structure? Orbit structure. This is orbit structure. Oh my God. I put in the group also. My God. Now tell me, beta. Yeah. Wow. So the balancing part is done, beta. Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Balance.
can you give thode or sums
वो थोड़े
for
और
balance?
सम तो you practice on your own ना बेटा. So many are there. I can do only of your paper. Okay. थोड़े और
So
सम
we
तो
look
बेटा
at
मैंने वर्कशीट दिया था उसमें 40-40 सम थे. तूने किए नहीं बेटा? हाँ.
then. But I didn't understand.
No. तो then you should have told me there. I have sent the answer की also. Anyways बेटा है ना, बहुत पेरेंट्स है ना, ये भी मेरे को बोल रहे हैं यार, ये एक पेपर का तो मैंने सोल्यूशन भेजा, ये मैंने सॉल्व किया था. Let me solve this and I'll do all those things बेटा. Don't worry. Somebody is asking me continuously what is this thing adsorption, true solution and this thing. Let me explain बेटा. True solution means what? I take one glass of water. In this water, if I add salt to it, salt will dissolve or not? Tell me. Akshaj beta, salt will dissolve in it or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So I will see only, so I won't be able to see salt into this. Only liquid, you will see only one phase. We call it as true solution. So in true solution, you will see only one phase. It will be clear, right? Homogeneous. I take one container, in that you add water to it. और उसके अंदर बेटा add 1 spoon of milk to it. Milk in water बेटा, तो आपको पानी क्लियर दिखाई देगा या क्लाउडी सोल्यूशन दिखाई देगा? अक्षर टेल मी.
So cloudy.
हाँ, तो उसको कोलॉइडल बोलते हैं. विच सोल्यूशन? तो मिल्क हैज स्प्रेड इनटू द वाटर, सो कोलॉइडल सोल्यूशन. इट इज translucent, it is not clear.
Can you tell me again? Because I just came now.
So you
That's
did
why.
a big obligation on me, bro. We are doing
Sir,
beta.
I didn't.
We are doing beta this, huh, beta? He's asking me what is true solution and all. So I'm just doing the doubt, beta. If I add sand in water, Akshaj, tell me, beta, if I add sand in water, what will happen? We'll see sand particle below or not, tell me. Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is known as suspension. In suspension, solute particle are clearly visible. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I'm giving you example here. It is sand in water. Okay. So this is example for your this thing. So true solution is a homogeneous mixture, right? Where I'm doing beta, wait, let me check. Tentative, where it is, yeah.
Sir, what is colloidal? Can you tell me
Colloidal,
again?
that is what na beta. If you add water
When you
to
see class.
milk into water, so it is, will you be able to see the water clearly? Water will become cloudy or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Your blood, have you seen your blood? Blood is what beta? Colloid.
Yes,
Blood
sir.
is also
Okay.
colloid. Okay.
Th- yes, sir. Thank you.
You eat jelly, jam, all those are colloid. Are they clear? No, na beta.
सर मैं अभी खा रहा हूँ
So it is all. If you eat cheese, or cheese is also colloidal, बेटा. बर्थडे पे जो क्रीम हम लोग डालते हैं ना, बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे केक के ऊपर, दैट इज ऑल्सो colloid.
Fondant.
देन बेटा,
सर
whenever
विथ
you pour
क्रीम
कोल्ड ड्रिंक तो ऊपर वो फोम आता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो colloid. ओके, एनीवेज.
कोक फ्लोट
या चलो बेटा, ना अभी बेटा वी गो टू
Soda.
द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. क्या था बेटा? What was next part, beta? Tell me, you wanted that bonding, na beta? I'll teach you that bonding part. I'll teach you that bonding part.
सर मेरा वेरिएबल वैलेंसी
वेरिएबल वैलेंसी बेटा आज बताया था, तू क्या कर रहा था तभी? सो रहा था क्लास में? हाँ,
सर सर समझा नहीं
समझा नहीं? वो तेरे को एक्सेप्शन केस है, वो तेरे को ऐसे याद रखना है, बाय हार्ट करना है, ठीक है? वो एक्सेप्शनल केस है बेटा, राइट?
एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दो
मैं कर दूंगा बेटा, सब कर।
टेक्स्ट बुक से ले लेना.
टेक्स्ट बुक से ले लेना बेटा, कर दूंगा बेटा, डोंट वरी, रो मत।
नहीं समझ आ रहा ना इसलिए तो
नहीं
पूछा
समझेगा भी नहीं वो तेरे को ऐसा जल्दी बेटा, इसे जल्दी समझेगा भी नहीं। कॉपर का वैलेंसी एटॉमिक नंबर इज व्हाट बेटा? यू ओनली टेल मी डियर। 29। अरे यार, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग दिस? सो दीज आर द ऑर्बिट्स, सो टेल मी बेटा, इट इज 29, सो द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन इज हाउ मच बेटा? 2 8 18 1। नाउ हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इन द आउटर मोस्ट शेल? टेल मी। ये बोलना कितना है?
सर मैं
हाँ, जिसको डाउट है वही येड़ा है, बोल कितना है? अरे हाउ मच इलेक्ट्रॉन? लास्ट शेल को वी कॉल बेटा अल्टीमेट शेल.
यस सर
Second last shell is called as what? Penultimate. Tavish beta, are you getting it or not?
यस सर पेनल्टिमेट शेल
हाँ, तो यहाँ से 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन जाएगा तो what will be the valency? 1 plus.
सर 1+.
But sometimes it may happen that 1 electron, from which shell it is jumping? From which shell? From penultimate. It will jump into,
पेनल्टिमेट शेल
so they say,
अल्टीमेट
so 70, this 18 will become 17, and here how many electron will be there now? अरे एक 18 में से एक यहाँ पे जंप मारेगा तो कितना हो जाएगा?
2.
2
तो अभी ये बाहर से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेगा तो व्हाट विल बी द वैलेंसी?
Cu2 plus.
Cu2+.
हाँ, तो बस यही वेरिएबल वैलेंसी का एक्सप्लेनेशन है बेटा.
बस
हाँ, राइट. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट बेटा, यू वांटेड व्हाट? बॉन्डिंग. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू द बॉन्डिंग part. Bonding. Now every element will try to attain eight electron in its outermost shell, right?
Sorry, sir, to interrupt, but I have a doubt.
What? Tell me, what is the doubt? In this beta, you have to remember this
Sir,
exceptional case. Let it be bus. You have to remember only this. Now you'll say, sir, why it is 15? That you don't have to understand. You have to just
no,
remember.
no. Sir, I had one more doubt. So they've asked that,
What? They've asked, That's it.
sorry, sir, 1 minute. I'm trying to find the doubt.
So if they are asked, then you have to do ha. Okay?
So,
Yeah.
till then, can you clear my doubt?
What is your doubt?
So yeah,
Sir,
I found it.
potash.
Yeah. Tell Pranaya.
Potassium carbonate.
Potassium is K1 plus. Carbonate is 2 minus. So what will be the valency? What will be the compound? This
Sir,
is the
exactly.
kya?
But, oh yeah, okay.
Done?
Yeah.
Sir, I had a doubt when you told me that in ionic bond it has to be from metals and non-metals, right? Metals
Yeah.
to non-metals. Sorry.
Look, I'll
So,
tell you, beta. Wait. I'll tell you, beta. तुमको है ना इतने ही का एग्जाम्पल है. सोडियम क्लोराइड. तो this is metal. This is non-metal. So this is what, beta? Ionic bond. Okay, you will
Yeah,
get.
but sir, in the 2024 paper, they've asked a question that in an ionic bond, transfer of electrons takes place from. So there are two options, from non-metal to metal and metal to non-metal. So aren't both the same thing, sir?
No.
How is
Why
it
both the same thing? Metal will donate, ना metal transfer कर रहा है ना from metal, and non-metal will always accept. Look, I'll
So
show.
only metal will transfer, right?
Yes, अरे कॉमन सेंस है. जिसके पास 3 या 3 से कम होता है वो मेटल होता है कि नहीं? I'll show you. Look, बेटा, this is your sodium chloride. Can you see sodium 281, and this is your metal, and this is your non-metal. Can you see now who is metal? The one which has 1 electron. 3 or less than 3, then it is metal, and this is non-metal. So now what it will do? Tell me. Can you see this outer electron? Who is transferring? Tell me. Look, beta, it will transfer. देख बेटा, ये आएगा.
Sir, chlorine.
क्लोरीन ट्रांसफर करेगा.
No, sir, sodium.
अरे
Sodium,
बेटा,
sodium.
इतना कैसा तुम लोग है. मैंने इतना आज बताया फिर भी कुछ पढ़ते नहीं हो. ये देख, तेरे को दिखा देता हूँ. देख ले, ये देख, जा रहा है वो ब्लू वाले को. देख बेटा, थोड़ा लॉजिक यूज
Yes.
करो बेटा. लॉजिक क्या यूज करना है बेटा? एवरी एलिमेंट विल ट्राई टू अटेन 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन. नाउ टेल मी बेटा, सोडियम who is the nearest? It is unstable or not? It wants to lose this electron. So this fellow will lose, and chlorine will gain. Na, chlorine is how much beta? Tell me. 287. So sodium will lose.
Yes, sir.
Chlorine is 287, so it will gain, na beta?
Yes, sir.
So look, it is gaining. Like, ये देख, हो गया. Then beta, I'll show you. This is your ionic bond. Then beta, if I take calcium oxide, look at to this, and now you have to tell me beta who
But
is.
sir,
Yeah.
उसमें कम है और उसमें ज्यादा है तो
कम ज्यादा नहीं बेटा. तुमको क्या बोला? तुमको देखने का. जिसके बाहर बेटा ये सब दो, बाहर की तरफ 2, 1 या 3 दिखेगा तो वो डोनेट करेगा. जिसके बाहर 5, 6, 7 होगा वो एक्सेप्ट करेगा. इसके बाहर कितना दिखता है मैन तुमको?
ओके
देख,
अंडरस्टूड.
कितना दिखता है मैन? बोलो.
2 2 2
2. ये
2
दिखता नहीं है क्या? आंखें के बटाटा. इसके बाहर कितना है? 6. तो ये क्या करेगा?
2 उधर ट्रांसफर करें.
हाँ, ये देख बेटा, इसे ट्रांसफर करेगा. दिखा हो गया? ये देख, देख ले, ये देख. तो इसका भी 8 हो गया, इसका भी 8 हो गया कि नहीं? बोलो.
हाँ सर,
हाँ,
स्टेबल हो जाएगा.
हाँ, स्टेबल हो
और आपका
जाएगा.
एप्रिसिएट
यो हनी सिंह, बोथ हैव बिकम स्टेबल और नॉट? देख, 288, ये भी 88, दोनों खुश.
यस
पहले इसके
सर.
बाद ये एक्स्ट्रा था, इसका आई थिंक नहीं प्रॉब्लम था. ये दोनों ये भी थे, दोनों के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया. बराबर है यार. रुशान,
Yes,
शांति
sir.
रह. क्या डाउट है तेरा रुशान? बोल रे.
Sir, can you explain that single covalent bond and that
वो तो
again?
सब
I
आएगा.
don't
पहले तो
understand.
आयनिक तो होने देना बेटा. आयनिक होने दो ना. जाने मन
Okay,
आयनिक
sir.
होने दो ना. Now we are going to do magnesium. Magnesium chloride. Magnesium, can you see now? Here it is 282. So this follow what it will do, beta? It will lose or not? Tell me.
Sir, 1 1. Sir, will donate 1 1.
हाँ, क्लोरीन का 7, इसको 1 चाहिए, इसको 1 चाहिए, तो दोनों को वो 1 1 देगा. दोनों
उसको
को देगा.
वो
अरे बाप,
1 1 दे देगा.
दोनों को देगा भाई. वो सब कुछ स्टेबल
1
करेगा.
1
ये
को
देख
दे
बेटा,
देगा.
ये देख दोनों को देगा, देख अभी देख मैं ट्रांसफर कर रहा हूँ, देख ओ माय गॉड लुक, ओ अब दोनों
सब
स्टेबल हो
लोग
गया कि
खुश।
नहीं?
Sir, your editing skills are so good.
Oh, thank you
And this
for,
is
oh, thank you so much.
so
Yeah.
that's crazy.
It-
PowerPoint पर
So
इतना अच्छा।
288 and this is 288. Can you see, beta? All have become this minus sign. Why it has got minus sign? Have you understood? Okay, so this was
So
all
why
about
did I
your
get minus side?
why. So you only tell me why it has got a minus. You only tell me now.
I don't know, so that's why I asked.
So that is what I want. So what were you doing, beta? Who? Acha, what this fellow? An atom is neutral or not? Tell me. It has chlorine had 17 proton and 17 electron. Now what it did, beta? It gained one electron or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So अभी इसमें
From magnesium.
so इलेक्ट्रॉन कितना हो गया अभी 18 हो गया कि नहीं? So add them up.
18.
वो minus charge. If I give you electron to you, you
Okay.
will develop with charge negative. Yeah, I lost electron, so I will develop with charge positive. Right ना? तो मैग्नीशियम को 2 प्लस क्यों मिला बोल
Yes,
तभी?
sir.
क्यों मिला 2?
So magnesium got
It
2 plus because
it lost 2 electrons. 2 नेगेटिव
it
चार्ज
lost 2
गया.
electrons.
तो मैग्नीशियम के पास इनिशियली कितना था? आज मैंने ट्रिक भी दिया था ना, पहले 12 प्रोटॉन होता है एटम के अंदर इक्वल होता है बेटा. अब इसमें से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन चला गया तो 12 प्रोटॉन एंड 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो 12 पॉजिटिव
हाँ
एंड
तो
10
2
नेगेटिव
plus 2
प्लस 2.
plus
ओ माय
बचा।
गॉड, देयर यू गो मैन, यू हैव अंडरस्टूड मैन. अभी मैं कोवेलेंट बता रहा हूं, आ जाओ सब. कोवेलेंट में बेटा आ जाते हैं हाइड्रोजन, ढेंटन एंड हाइड्रोजन आउटसाइड हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन इज देयर बेटा? 1. दिस फेलो इज 1. हु इज द नियरेस्ट नोबल गैस टू हाइड्रोजन?
Helium.
तो क्या करेगा? बोथ विल कम क्लोजर एंड दे विल शेयर. दे विल शेयर.
Shear.
Sharing is caring. Look, beta, they will come close. Look, look. They will come. Oh, can you see? अच्छा बेटा, now its duplet is complete. ये राइट वाले का देख 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन आया कि नहीं? And look at the left one. It has also gained 2 electron or not? Tell me. Oh my God. Acha, whenever one pair, acha, how many pair is there between these two? One pair. So we call it as single covalent bond. This is what, beta? Single. This dash is single covalent bond. Single means 2 electron. Got it? Sharing. Anybody is gaining? No. Anybody is losing? No. So they are sharing, Sherry, lady. You know that song? So they are explaining single covalent bond. Okay. So now let us go to the next one, beta. Aa jao. Chlorine, beta, 287. So this fellow, this is also non-metal, na beta. Outside there is, if it is 4 or more, then it is non-metal. So non-metal will always sharing they will do. Hey, this also want to become 8, this also want to become 8. So now look, beta, they will come close to each other. Let them come closer. Look, and they will share. Now I want you to look into the right hand side this, beta. How many electrons are here? Count na. 8.
288.
Then this
18.
is also 8 or not? Tell me.
18.
But
Yes,
how many
sir.
electron pair? They are sharing only one pair. Can you see this?
One pair. Yes,
So
sir.
single
Single covalent.
single. Okay. This bond is also just like me, single. Okay.
So don't you have a wife?
Sir, you have a wife.
I was so much involved in the teaching, so I made myself born. Okay. Anyways, joking. Am I joking? ठीक है बेटा आ जाते. Oxygen. Now you tell me,
Sir,
बेटा,
we'll
oxygen,
tell
how
your
much is
wife.
there?
Sir, we'll tell your wife.
Oh
Sir,
yeah,
you're
yeah.
not joking. You're poor Rohit, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Chalo, bro. Now I want all of you to see, beta. This is 6. इसको भी कितना चाहिए? 2. How much is this need? 2. They have more than
Single
4
covalent.
electrons. So they are both
Oh,
non-metal.
double.
So how they will share or not? Look, they will come closer to each other and they will share it. Look.
Sir.
Wow. Come on. Now I want you to look into this, beta. Okay. This.
Sir,
So
and what is this called?
look now. First you tell me, is this fellow is having 8 or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yes, sir.
8.
2 8. It became neon. Like it
इसको भी देखो ना. This is also having 8 or not? 1, 2, 3,
Yes, sir.
4,
Yes.
5, 6, 7. So now how many pair they are sharing? 1 and 1, 2 pair. If 1 pair we used to write single dash. 2 pair means 2. Double covalent.
Double.
Double covalent. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we'll go to the next one. Nitrogen.
Sir,
Oh my.
what is this process called? What is
Covalent
that
bond.
process called?
This process is, you forgot. Sharing, lady, sharing of bond. Sharing is covalent bond.
Sharing of bonds.
Yeah, sharing
For
of
sharing of
electrons.
bonds.
Covalent bond.
Okay, sir.
Non-metal will always share. Non-metal, they have,
Okay, sir.
favorite song. Sherry lady. Okay, so now let us go to the next one. Nitrogen
Sir,
atomic. Yeah, 2,7, 2,7. Can you see? So this fellow needs 3 electrons. So both of them will come closer. Look. Wow. Now I want you to look into this. How many electrons are here? 8. How many electrons are here? 8. How many pair they have shared? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. So 3. So it will be what? For one pair we write 1, 2, 3. So it will be what?
So it will always be even, na?
Triple covalent bond. Triple covalent bond. ठीक है? Done. Understood now? Water, beta, water. Can you see, beta, what will happen? These two will come closer. Look. So how many single covalent bond? Look, they have shared one pair. So water is having 2 single covalent bond. Can you see one pair here? Yeah, Meher, beta, what is your doubt? Tell me, dear.
sir, like they've given us in the worksheet hexavalent and heptavalent, will they ask us all that?
No. They don't. They won't. Okay. Hexa means, beta, in the outermost shell there are 6 electrons. Then hexa. In outermost shell there are 7. Then hepta. 4. Then tetra. 5. Then penta. Okay.
Okay.
Chalo, done. Water is 2 single covalent bond. If I take ammonia, beta, nitrogen is 2,5, 1, 1, 1. So they will come close to each other and they will share. Look, beta. Okay. Look. So how many bond? Look, this is single. So 3 single covalent bond. Understood? Hello. Right?
Yes.
They have given methane. Methane, I'll teach you. Methane, beta, carbon is there. Carbon has how many electron outermost shell? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 hydrogen will come. And they will share. Look. So how many pair here? It is being shared 1. So we'll say 4 single covalent bond. 4 single, beta. Is this clear to all of you? So this bonding is done. Now what is your next doubt? Tell me. And all, no, covalent bond is always between two non-metal. Yes. Now doubt, tell me.
Sir, can you show dot structure again?
Dot structure I have showed, beta, and today in the class, beta. And I have sent in the group also, beta. Right? And the one which is there, which they have asked, that I have shared in the group. This is orbital structure, beta. They had asked dot structure for what, beta? This calcium oxide. You only tell me, beta, how will you draw calcium oxide ka dot structure? Look. Dot and cross structure we call. So calcium, beta, you tell me, beta. Again, I'll show you. Calcium and oxygen. Calcium atomic number is how much? First, tell me, Meher, beta. 20. So it
20.
is what? 2882. Oxygen atomic number is 8. So it is 2,6. So how many electrons are there in dot structure? We always draw the outer electron. How many electron is there in calcium? Tell me, dear.
2.
So I'll write here calcium. Calcium has how many electron? 2. So metal ka electron we show by cross. Oxygen, beta, oxygen is coming close to each other, right? So oxygen, how many electrons are there? Yeah, Pranaya, what is your doubt?
So from the 2024 question paper,
Wait, I'm doing first this. Let me complete this. First, let me complete this and then ask your doubt. I thought you have doubt related to this. 6 electron are there, Meher, beta, can you see?
Yes, sir.
So now it wants to attain octet or not and it wants to lose this. So we'll show this transfer like this. This way. Then beta, what will happen? Calcium has lost 2 electrons. So it will develop how many charge? 2 plus.
2 plus.
Then oxygen has gained how many electron?
2.
हाँ, ये देख ना, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन उसने गेन किया ना, ये क्रॉस वाला दिखा है। एंड उसके 6 ब्लू वाले तो थे ही ना बेटा। So this is your calcium oxide, CaO. So this is your dot structure. I have sent the photo of this in the group. Yeah. Now I'm going to go for the next one. Pranaya, tell me, yes, your doubt. Paper, which paper you want? 24, 25?
24 paper,
Yeah.
question 4.
Question 4.
B, second question.
What type of bond will be formed between A and B? So now you tell me.
Is it ionic bond?
You first let us write, now don't guess. A has 3 electronic shell and has 2 valence electrons. So 2 valence electron and 3 shell means it is 282 or not, tell me. B has 2 electronic shell and 6 valence electron. So 6 valence electron means it will be what? 2, 6. So this has only 2, so it is metal. This has more than 4, so it is non-metal. So between metal and non-metal, it will be always which bond? Ionic bond. Easy. Chalo, next doubt. Hello.
So I have a question in elements, compounds, and mixtures.
Yeah, tell me, beta, what is the doubt?
So in fractional crystallization, it says that the less soluble solid is
Crystallize out first.
potassium.
Less soluble will come first.
But sir, actually in the the textbook it's given that less soluble is B.
No, less soluble will
Mistake
come
in the
out first.
textbook.
And more soluble will come last. And first, whose crystal will be formed? Of less soluble, then of more soluble. Okay? Less soluble was potassium chlorate. More soluble was potassium nitrate. Okay?
But so below that it says that the less soluble solid is solid A, which is potassium nitrate.
So that's a printing mistake there in the textbook.
Yeah, arey beta, what they have told, which one will come out first and which one will come last. Okay? That you have to remember. Next.
So I'm confused, like what is the difference between 3 single covalent and triple covalent?
Wow, very nice question. In nitrogen, beta, 3 pairs were shared. And in ammonia, there is 3 single pair. So this is the difference. Here only one pair is shared. Are you getting it? Here, 3
So-
pairs.
Got it, sir.
Sir, I have one question that can you tell me what is covalency?
Covalency is beta, it is the bond which is formed by sharing of electron. And ionic valency is the valence bond which is formed by transfer of electron. Okay? Next.
So in this wala paper only, this last year ka paper, they don't have क्या बोलते हैं?
कल बोलना बेटा. Pranaya, tell me in the
नहीं,
meanwhile, what
I
is your doubt?
remember that crisscross thingy. They don't have it.
What
Yeah.
they don't have it, crisscross thingy means it is chemical formula. Then how will you got this? Which one is incorrect? How will you know that? This will know by crisscross only. Okay?
Okay.
What mean? What about this? How will you do this? How will you do this? This is what? Crisscross thingy. Chalo, Pranaya beta, what is your doubt?
Sir, electrovalent bond and ionic bond is the same, right?
Same, yeah, same. Look, beta, if you want, I'm going to solve this paper quickly. Now you see this. Last year paper I'm doing. Okay? And I'll send because I have not sent this solved paper. Chalo, beta. First. So this is the last part for today. The process of separation of cream from milk. Which method it is, beta? Centrifugation. Clear. Type of bond in oxygen molecule. Oxygen is non-metal. So it will be what, beta? Covalent. Right? Molecular formula of
Sir,
M.
is there
Atomic number
something
is
called
11.
as a metallic bond?
हाँ?
सर metallic bond कुछ है क्या?
हाँ, metal के बीच में होता है. वो अभी आपको नहीं पढ़ना है बेटा. ये atomic number M
तो
is
दिया
11.
क्यों है?
11 means what, beta? What will be the valency of this?
M2O.
281. So its valency is M1 plus. Oxide is how much beta? 2 minus. So what formula will get?
M2O, no?
M2O. Which of the following is heterogeneous mixture? Pepper water.
Pepper
Because
water.
pepper is not soluble. Proton, electron, and neutron in this. So 18 means what? 18 proton, 18 electron, and how much neutron? 40 minus. Look, beta. Proton
22.
Proton is 18, electron is 18, neutron is A minus
20.
Z. So it will be how much beta? 40 minus 18. So it is how much? 20.
22.
So this is your answer. So let me write the, I'll put it in the group only beta for you.
So after this, can you show oxidation and reduction?
What? Oxidation and reduction. Any metal will always undergo oxidation. Acha, sodium chloride mein sodium lose electron, so it is oxidation. The one who gains electron, that is reduction. I'll show it, beta. Don't worry, I'll show it. Don't you worry, bro. Okay, which formula is correctly represented? So for this, beta, if I say potassium valency is 1 plus, carbonate is how much, beta? 2 minus. Wait, what happened? Potassium is 1 plus. Carbonate is 2 minus. So this will go here, this will come here. बेटा अरे एक ऑनलाइन क्लास में फोन करूँ था 10 मिनट जाए ठीक है चलो बेटा so what will get बेटा K2CO3 so this is correct right which of the following method is used to prepare used to separate common salt and water come on
Evaporation.
Electrovalent bond is formed by transfer of electron takes place from metal to non-metal. Metal to
Metal to non-metal.
अच्छा ये एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट का क्या होना चाहिए था एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट इज Al3 प्लस सल्फेट इज 2 माइनस सो इट वुड हैव बीन व्हाट बेटा Al2SO4 whole thrice so this is wrong have you understood why this is wrong okay magnesium is 2 plus oxygen is 2 minus so it should be what MgO so this is wrong calcium is how much 2 plus Cl is how much beta 1 minus so crisscross so calcium chloride got it hello I am sending this Meher beta you wanted the solution of this na Meher nahi Maira
Yes,
hey,
sir.
what is the name of this this is very easy beta this is bisulfate okay then you will say what is bicarbonate is beta HCO3 1 minus I'm giving this also sulfate carbonate is CO3 2 minus sulfate is what beta this is for carbonate this is for bicarbonate sulfate is what beta SO4 2 minus are you getting it sodium ion is what beta electropositive so this we did beta it is not electronegative it is positive sodium loses one electron yes beta look now beta sodium is what beta 11 so 281 if it loses one electron so what it will become Na1 plus or not so it is electropositive and electronic configuration is 28 so it is stable or not tell me and this is what beta positive so positive means electropositive not electronegative so what is the answer assertion is false but the reason is true clear give the term used for each the process let me पूरा fill in the blanks भी cover हो जाएगा ना अपना पूरा हो जाएगा ये चलो suspended solid particle left on the filter paper is called as what residue element having same atomic number but different mass number isotopes atom or a group of atom which has a single unit radical a good conductor nitrogen is what beta good conductor bad
Nitrogen is
sorry I
Bad
have written
conductor.
ulta I have written ulta I'm so
Conductor.
sorry I have written ulta this is
Yes,
bad
sir.
and this is good sorry yeah and compounds and mixture so compound mein beta what is there fixed ratio. Element are in
Ratio. Fixed
And
component.
mixtures are in any ratio.
mixture will be what, beta? Mixture will be any ratio.
Any ratio. Sublimation and evaporation.
Sublimation and type of mixture. Sublimation mein what should be there, beta? I'll write, beta, ammonium chloride and NaCl. And here evaporation mein what will take? NaCl and water. Easy?
So we are allowed to write like examples and distinguish
No,
between.
type of mixture. First, I'm
No,
giving you
we're
example.
not. No.
So this is what, beta, type of mixture they have told you, beta. So this is what, beta?
Solid
This
liquid.
is solid
Liquid.
plus liquid. And
And
this will be what?
solid.
This will be what? I'll write here. Solid mixture. Okay. Element which shows more than valency, they have what? Variable valency. Metals are good electron donors and formed charged ion called cation. Positive ion is cation. Separate ion from this. So
Magnet.
magnetic separation. Magnet.
So will it be magnetic separation
No,
or only
magnet.
magnets?
Magnet is used. Silver is argentum. Right? So I'll write here argentum. Done. चलो अच्छा this thingy आया बेटा this thingy copper sulfide. So first one is what beta I'll write here. Copper is how much beta? 2 plus. Sulfide is 2 minus. So crisscross. So it is CuS. Second is what beta? Calcium carbonate. Calcium is 2 plus. Carbonate is 2 minus. So it will be what? CaCO3.
CO3.
Third is aluminium is 3 plus. Chloride is 1 minus. So inge pinge crisscross. Right na beta? So what you'll get? AlCl3e. Fourth is what beta? Fourth is ammonium nitrate. Ammonium is how much beta? NH4 1 plus. Nitrate is how much? NO3 1 minus. So what I'll get? Done. Eg. Hello. I hope all of you are getting it. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This balancing equation was very easy, beta. This I'll balance it and I'll give it to you. Chalo. What here you'll put, beta? Here it will come 3. Right, beta? Balancing. Okay, यहाँ पे ऐसा लिख देता. Here it will come, beta, 3. And here it will come 3. That's it. Here it is what, beta? 2. Here it will come only 2. Here it will come 2 and here it will come 3. What do you observe when ammonium chloride? So beta, I told you, na beta, vapors of ammonium chloride. अच्छा थोड़ा ऊपर लिखो क्या? हाँ नहीं लिख देते मेरा. Vapors of ammonium chloride will sublimate and condense on inner surface of inverted funnel. Clear? Bar magnet is passed over this. So bar magnet के लिए आप क्या लिखोगे बोलो बेटा? Iron
Magnetization
will
stick to the bar.
Stick or cling to the
Bar magnet.
bar.
And sulfur will
and sulfur will not.
It will remain, no?
Yeah. Chalo, it will remain.
Obviously.
Obviously.
Obviously. Bravo. Done, 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 done. Man, let us go to the next one. This diagram, beta, I told you, na, beta, this diagram, they will ask. Name the method. So, what is the name of the method? What is the method?
Fractional distillation.
Fractional distillation.
Sir, I have a question in this question. Sir, I have a question in
Yeah,
this question.
tell me.
So I was solving it, and in the book, if you see the fractional distillation ka, you know where it's pointing to that arrow
Uh,
which has A written there. Over there, it's like in a spiral sort of shape, but over here it's straight. So
so that I told you,
I
it can
thought it
be
was
any shape. It
So
can be
distillation.
like
Shubha
this
ने बोला
also.
था that
It
it
can be
can be in
like this
different.
also. It can be any shape, beta.
Sir, name
So,
बता
so,
दो इसका.
so then
Any
how do we recognize it?
any shape.
अरे
Above,
ये
if it should be
हाँ
above this
कोई भी
thing. Above this, if you
Yes,
see
sir.
any shape, above this, if you,
हाँ
above a
हाँ
conical flask, if you
fractionation
see
का
any shape, then it is fractionating column. Okay?
Fractional.
Which substance is
Fractionality.
collected in the receiver? बेटा receiver में कौन आएगा बोलो बेटा?
Sir, methyl alcohol.
No,
अरे
water.
एथाइल है एथाइल है
Oh.
इथाइल है
Yes, sir, methyl alcohol.
अबे इट्स एथाइल
It is E given ना बेटा ethyl, ethyl.
पता नहीं वो मिखाइल अल्कोहल बोल.
एग्जैक्टली
मिथाइल
क्यों
टेक्स्ट बुक में
बोल रहा है
मिथाइल था, टेक्स्ट बुक में मिथाइल दिया था तो मिथाइल, इथाइल दिया तो इथाइल.
Duh.
Finally, it is alcohol only, man. You have to just enjoy the process
Oh,
of
Yeah.
fractionating column, huh? Not of enjoying the alcohol. What man?
अरे.
What a nonsense thing you're telling on me on Sunday night. Sheh. Chalo. Let us go to the next one. Okay, here they are told, beta, A has
sir,
three. Yeah, tell me.
282.
So first I'll let me
282.
write this, beta. A is having three. Look, I'll write A has three. So A is I'll write here only. A it is 283. And B is what, beta? B is 2 and has 6 electrons. So B is your 2 comma 6. So what is the answer for this? 283. What type of bond will be formed between these two, beta? Bolo, ionic or co-electrovalent bond, whatever you want to write.
Ionic or electrovalent.
General formula. So A valency will be how much? A का valency is
और
3.
ऐसे वन वर्ड आंसर लिखेंगे तो मिलेगा ना मार्क्स
हाँ तो क्यों नहीं? What type they have told ना बेटा? So what will the valency बेटा? A2B3. Whether B is metal or non-metal, तो B is what बेटा? Non-metal. Done, done, done.
Yes, yes, yes.
चलो मेहर मेहर बेटा है कि चली गई?
I'm there.
Meher, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Look beta, oxidation means what beta? I'll tell you beta. Oxidation means what? Anyone who lose electron. You remember beta, Leo. Will you remember Leo?
Yes.
Leo means loss. E means electron. Loss of electron is O means oxidation. Will you remember this, dear?
Yes, sir.
Then you have to remember Germany. Germany में what is there? G will be for gain.
Gain.
E will be for electron.
Electron.
Gain of electron is reduction. Reduction. So what you'll do here, beta? Come on. Okay, metal generally. So sodium is beta 11. So you only tell me beta 281. So it will lose electron or gain. देखना बेटा 1 है ना तो it will lose. You get Na1 plus. So this is oxidation. Clear? Chlorine,
Yes,
what
sir.
it will do, beta? Chlorine is 287. So it will gain an electron.
Gain.
Yeah, it will gain electron and it is reduction. It will become 288. It has become stable. Sodium has become stable. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes.
All the best for
sir.
tomorrow. Rock the paper. Read question carefully. That is very important thing. You have to read question carefully. If they say name, you have to write name. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chalo then.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Bye bye everybody.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Bye bye.
Good night.
Bye bye.
Good night.
Good
Please tell your
night.
wife.
Oh yeah, please.